You've seen the math. You know that a mix of VOO, SCHD, and that Joker asset we discussed can build a $5,000 per month income stream. But now comes the hardest part: pressing the buy button. Most investors freeze because they're afraid of making a technical mistake, paying too much in fees, or getting the timing wrong. Today, I'm taking you behind the curtain. I'll show you the exact 3 steps to get your portfolio on autopilot so you can stop worrying and start building. Step 1 is choosing your warehouse, your brokerage account. Think of this as the foundation of your house. In the US, you want a low-cost, reliable broker like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Look for zero-commission trades. But it's not just about the broker. The beauty of the trifecta, VOO, SCHD, and DGRO, is that their internal fees, known as expense ratios, are rock bottom. We're talking as low as 0.03% to 0.08%. Compare that to an actively managed fund that might charge you 1% or more. That tiny difference in fees can mean hundreds of thousands of dollars more in your pocket over your investing lifetime. Your goal is to keep every single cent of those dividends for yourself by using a platform and assets that don't nickel and dime your future. Step 2 is about how you put your money to work. Many people ask, should I wait for a market crash to buy? The answer is no. Trying to time the market is a losing game. Instead, use the brick-by-brick method, also known as dollar-cost averaging. Set up an automatic transfer from your bank every month. Whether the market is up or down, you buy your shares of the trifecta. This removes the emotion and ensures that you're consistently building your skyscraper, one brick at a time. Step 3 is the secret sauce, DRIP, or Dividend Reinvestment Plan. When VOO, SCHD, or DGRO, our Joker asset, pays you a dividend, you don't touch it. You set your brokerage account to automatically reinvest it. Now, here is a pro tip for your taxes. If you do this inside a tax-advantaged account like a Roth IRA or a 401k, your dividends can grow and reinvest totally tax-free. Think about this. Over a 30-year period, avoiding that annual tax drag can mean the difference between retiring with $1 million or leaving hundreds of thousands on the table for the IRS. That is money that should be in your pocket, not theirs. You're letting the compound interest work at full strength without the tax man slowing you down every step of the way. Once these 3 steps are live, your only job is patience. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-rich-for-sure plan. The beauty of the trifecta is that it doesn't require you to watch the news or stress over daily stock charts. You only need to check your progress once or twice a year to ensure your balance is still on track and rebalance if necessary. If you're ready to see the exact portfolio split for your specific age and how the math works for reaching that $5,000 per month goal, watch the video on the screen right now. The plan is ready. The steps are clear. Now go press that button. And a quick reminder, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Investing involves risk, and past performance is no guarantee of future results. Always do your own research or consult with a professional before making any financial decisions.